Can Big Pharma hijack cannabis? Welcome to the Dr. Joudeh Effect. One plant can ease grandma's arthritis and a veteran's nightmare, but the second that plant threatens a $200 billion drug market, boardrooms start licking their chops. Today on the Dr. Joudeh Effect, we're gonna ask, can Big Pharma capture cannabis? And what is the cost to the patients who have proven that it can work? Before we dive into lobbyists and lawsuits, let's dive into the science. Entourage effect. CBD THC act like a well-rehearsed orchestra. Together, they often outperform singular molecular compounded pharmaceuticals for spasticity, neuromuscular disease, and PTSD. Multi-symptom relief. Full-spectrum cannabis can replace opioids, anti-nausea medications, and be used as a sleep aid in the same dose for the same patient. Affordability and locality. In most medical states, 1 month of quality flower or distillate is about $100 to $200. Pocket change next to specialty pharmaceutical prices. Cannabis is the public's health Swiss Army knife. Precisely what patented singular medications cannot be. By 2030, the cannabis market in New York could top $4.8 billion. Every gram of dispensary flower is a prescription not filled. Revenue risk. Analysts list cannabis as a top disruptor for opioids, antiemetics, sleep meds, and more. Categories worth $236 billion in soon-to-be expired patents. Patent dilemma. You can't patent a flower that grows in somebody's closet, but you can patent an isolated molecule or a synthetic tweak and get monopoly money for it. Pharma's answer: buy, fence, freeze. The takeover playbook. Number 1, buy the pipeline. Pfizer lays down $6.7 billion for the Arena's CB2 pain drug. Jazz Pharmaceuticals swallows GW Pharma to take over the Epidiolex and the cannabis pipeline. Number 2, fence the patents. 2024-2025 saw a gold rush of cannabinoid patents, many on minor molecules or delivery tech, filed by AbbVie, Pfizer, and Novartis. Patents equal 20-year walls. Number 3, freeze the playing field. A rider slipped into Congress would block DEA rescheduling of whole flower cannabis, even after the health department approved Schedule 3s. Keeping the flower in tighter shackles protects FDA-approved isolates while choking interstate dispensary commerce. If you can't outlaw the competition, out-lobby it. If pharma wins, patients lose. Cost explosion. Epidiolex, a synthetic cannabinoid molecule, lists at $32,000 per year. Imagine that model for THC analogs. Insurance co-payments balloon. Choice collapse. Terpene cultivars that allow patients to fine-tune their relief are replaced by a handful of branded gels and tablets. Access barriers. Stricter scheduling keeps homegrown flower illegal while funneling supply to DEA-licensed Big Pharma greenhouses. Low-income and rural patients lose nearby dispensaries. Research bottleneck. Grants chase patentable isolates. Full-spectrum studies die on the vine. The question is, what can we do? Public comment periods matter. More eyes make lobbyists harder to hide. Support craft standards. Third-party lab seals give herbal products credibility and blunt the unsafe weed narrative. Tell patient stories. Kids seizure-free. Veterans off of opioids. Make lawmakers remember those faces, not lobby spreadsheets. Finally, herbal cannabis is medicinally grown, not made. Big Pharma would swap that diversity for patented isolates and 4-figure price tags. Healthcare policies should follow patient outcomes, not quarterly earnings. The fight for cannabis is not about a plant, but about who sets the cost for relief. Thank you for joining the Dr. Joudeh Effect. Like, subscribe, and tune in for more.